Hello and welcome everyone on this official platform of Legacy IAS Academy. A top Indian general walked into the most elite global defense summit and dropped a tactical truth bomb that shook China, stunned France, as well as it has exposed Pakistan. Was it a mistake or was it a master stroke? So, our CDS, that is General Anil Chauhan, India's Chief of Defense Staff, he made a kind of startling revelation at the Shangri-La dialogue and he admitted a setback, a jet, a loss, and suddenly the headlines screamed that India down. But what followed was not a silence, it was a thunder. Within 72 hours, India recalibrated not with rifles, but with BrahMos, but with Sukhoi 30 MKI, Navik guided precision, as well as homegrown technology that hit targets 300 kilometers deep inside enemy territory with the meter level accuracy. So this wasn't a reaction, it was a doctrinal transformation. And what if I told you that this was not just about Pakistan or China, but a cryptic warning to the world's biggest arms supplier group? And that behind this admission lay the biggest power play in the modern military diplomacy. So today in this video, we decode the Operation Sindoor, the truth, the technology and the tactics. And also I'm going to reveal why India just rewrote the rules of modern warfare. So stay till the end because what CDS Chauhan said may change how the world sells, how the world buys and fear weapons in the future. Now, did CDS Anil Chauhan do a blunder at Shangri-La? Modi should not have sent him there. CDS should not have admitted a loss. He did what he was sent for. समझ में आ रहा है? इन्होंने वही किया जिसके लिए इनको भेजा गया था. And CDS, Chief of Defense Staff, did something very important which will not just keep China and Pakistan on the edge but also France as well. Now, अब ऐसा क्या कहा CDS साहब ने? So, CDS said that it was not important that jet was down, but why it was down? उन्होंने ये भी बताया. Because we change our tactics and hit back Pakistan 300 kilometers deep with a meter accuracy on the subsequent days. Now connect the dots till the end. अब जो चीज मैं बोलूंगा उन सभी चीजों को कनेक्ट करिएगा. Now, first of all, on day 0, Rafale fighters armed with Scalp missiles. जी हाँ, Scalp missiles कौन सी हैं? Scalp missiles made all the noise. Their long range precision was showcased to the world. Now, अब CDS साहब ने क्या कहा? CDS said that we had some losses, but that is not important. What India did after that, that was important. Now, on 8th May, 9th May and 10th May. अब 8th May, 9th May और 10th May को, it wasn't Scalp missile or Rafale that made all the noise. तो फिर नॉइज किसने मचाई? है ना? तहलका किसने मचाया? It was BrahMos, it was Akash Tir, it was S-400, it was Rudram and other system which made the headlines. It was not a Rafale. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है? So it was Navik system, India's own GPS, which was used for precision strikes. And in the meantime, there was news of source code not getting shared by one of the key supplier to India. So without source code, France ने तो source code share करने से मना कर दिया. So without source code, India could not load its own missile to that fighter jet. समझ में आ रहा है? That is why सीडीएस साहब का ये जो स्टेटमेंट था शंग्रीला में, इट वॉज वेरी पावरफुल टू इंडिकेट टू थिंग्स। अब इस स्टेटमेंट से दो चीजें सामने समझ में आती है ना? सो इट वॉज वेरी पावरफुल। फर्स्ट थिंग इज, इंडिया इज बिगेस्ट बायर ऑफ वेपन्स, so do not take this as India's weakness. India has successfully defended its territory as well as decimated Pakistan with Indo-Russian system. समझ में आ रहा है? फ्रांस को ये बताना जरूरी था. And it was one of the biggest marketing event to showcase the effectiveness of your weapons. And if you work like Russian, work with India, जैसे Russians India के साथ काम करते हैं, you will have the biggest validation for your products. Else, India's one statement can disturb your future deals across the globe. समझ में आ रहा है? तो ये फ्रांस को इससे बहुत बड़ा झटका मिला है. So CDS statement will cause lot of jitters in France. In fact, the Indian Air Force day one recalibration saw squadrons, है ना, switch to BrahMos equipped Su-30 MKI Jaguar striking air bases deep inside the Pakistan, and all while avoiding the crossing the nuclear threshold. So this is not, now if you see, this not only neutralize the Pakistan A2AD zones, समझ में आ रहा है? इसने सिर्फ पाकिस्तान के ही ये जो A2AD zones है, चाइनीज HQ9 आप देख सकते हैं, चाइनीज HQ9 सिस्टम, but it has also sent a message that if you will not share the technology, we will demonstrate our technology. तो ये रिमार्क थे जनरल चौहान के. So General Chauhan's remark, it is not about the jet being down, but why they were being down. It was a calculated message to both Pakistan and China, and by acknowledging the early losses and showcasing the rapid correction, India also underlined about the professionalism, that we own our setbacks. Resilience, we adapt in real time. Okay. Then deterrence, we maintain the initiative. No professional force can claim zero loss. और ये तो बिल्कुल सही है, कोई भी प्रोफेशनल फोर्स कभी ये कही नहीं सकती अबाउट जीरो लॉस, है ना? नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द हिस्ट्री. Historically, if you see, wars are rarely decided by a single asset loss, है ना? Consider this. Now you can consider 1971 war. जी हाँ, 1971 war between India Pakistan, which is also called as India Pakistan war, and India lost over 50 aircraft but achieved breakup of Pakistan and the creation of Bangladesh. That was our achievement. ऐसा ही एक और एग्जांपल है, हम आपको बता देते हैं. दूसरा एग्जांपल क्या है? ऑपरेशन डेजर्ट स्टॉर्म. जी हां, एज यू कैन सी हियर, दिस इज ऑपरेशन डेजर्ट स्टॉर्म. अब ये ऑपरेशन डेजर्ट स्टॉर्म क्या था? दिस हैपेंड इन 1991. ऑपरेशन डेजर्ट स्टॉर्म. हियर the United States lost jets to the Iraqi air defenses, yet decimated Saddam's forces and liberated Kuwait. समझ में आ रहा है? As you can see here. Then Falklands War. जी हां, Falklands War. अब ये कब हुआ था? This happened in 1982. Falklands War. Now अब यहां पर क्या हुआ था? As you can see here the image, that United Kingdom, UK lost ships as well as Harriers but claimed that islands, Falkland Islands. समझ में आ रहा है? So asset attrition is not mission attrition. समझ में आ रहा है? So will India lose to narrative war due to this admission? है ना? Absolutely no. All global media house has accepted the devastation caused by India, and even Pakistani Prime Minister has acknowledged that. Also at Shangri-La, Pakistan General at Shangri-La dialogue accepted the defeat. So India is already owing the facts as well as narrative both. It wasn't easy, and that is why our CDS also highlighted that 15% of the Indian Air Force effort during Sindoor went into countering the disinformation. समझ में आ रहा है? अब बाहर का वॉर तो हम जीत लेंगे, जो हमारे यहाँ मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन फैलाई जाती है ना, हमारे अपने ही देश के लोगों से, उससे कैसे जीते? So, with Pakistan churning out claims of numerous downjets, which is fueled by Chinese media, so India prioritized the narrative control as a core part of modern warfare. समझ में आ रहा है? See, truth after all is as potent as any missile. So overall, if you see, General Anil Chauhan's comment did not weaken India's narrative. They fortified it. They demonstrated that even with hiccups, India's armed forces are adaptive. India's armed forces are accountable as well as strategically decisive. है ना? So that is why General Chauhan's subtle hint at jet down was not a sigh of defeat. It was a geopolitical jab. पहला मैसेज किसके लिए? मैसेज टू सप्लायर्स, इफ यू विल नॉट शेयर द कोड वी विल यूज अवर सिस्टम. ये फ्रांस के लिए मैसेज है. देन मैसेज टू चाइना, योर J-20, JF-17 और HQ-9 कैन नॉट सेफगार्ड पाकिस्तान. वर्ल्ड विल ओनली फॉलो यू इफ यू शो योर स्ट्रेंथ. And Operation Sindoor is not about asset loss or not, but for defining the doctrine against terrorism. है ना? Operation Sindoor जो किया गया, it is not about the asset loss, है ना? But for defining the doctrine against terrorism, that is deep penetration strikes demonstrating reach beyond 300 kilometers. Second, this Operation Sindoor made a display of what? Display of made in India defense systems, and then a doctrine shift that signals foreign vendors must align or get sidelined. Simple सी चीज. So reinforcing India's professional, accountable as well as potent military posture, India has spoken its doctrine which has evolved, and the global defense market is listening now. So whether Rafale or JF-17s, है ना, Rafale or JF-17s, lot of deal hang on India's account of Operation Sindoor, and India holds the key. That is why India holds the key. Okay, so this is the reality, and that is why General Chauhan, he made this argument and statement. Now, did General Chauhan commit a blunder? Or did he just broadcast the most powerful under the radar flex India has made in decades? What looked like vulnerability was actually a display of transparency, display of transformation, as well as the terror for those who are watching closely. So, in a world which is full of propaganda, India has chosen professionalism. In a world full of denial, India chose deterrence. And in a world of tech dependence, actually, India has chosen the sovereignty. So, as you can see here, the message was crystal clear that if you won't share your source code, we will write our own algorithms and hit harder. And if you think that India is a buyer, remember, it is also the battleground where system gets tested in real war only. And if you try to arm twist India, it may just twist the global narrative instead. Okay. So Rafale or no Rafale, India's doctrine has already spoken. Deep precision, tactical maturity, as well as information warfare are the new triad of defense. And the world is watching. Operation Sindoor was not the end of a mission. It was just a beginning of a new message that India will strike, India will own, and India will lead. So do not forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel Legacy IAS Academy if you believe in decoding the truth behind the headlines. And drop your thoughts in the comment section. Was this a military mishap or a geopolitical masterclass? So this is not just education, this is the strategy. This is impact. So this is Legacy IAS Academy, where knowledge meets power. Thank you so much.